Hey everyone, I'm here with Mr. Otto, resident bone expert, and we were just talking about the upcoming December workshop in Vegas. This time, December 3rd, 2022, we'll be in Las Vegas doing the frozen shoulder workshop. And this class is going to be great. We're going to go into techniques that will help you help your clients get better range of motion, more flexibility, and hopefully relief from pain when dealing with frozen shoulder. But not only will that be the main topic of the workshop, we'll also be building problem-solving skills. When I work with my clients who are dealing with frozen shoulder, it's not necessarily a set algorithm that I put my clients through. I actually really need to know what's going on in their particular case. Every case can be different. And once I do certain assessments, then I can build a strategy for that particular client. And that's one of the main things that you're going to learn in this workshop. That problem-solving skill is something you can apply to so many other conditions, so many other topics with your clients. So go ahead and click below, sign up for the workshop, and look forward to seeing you there.